Secured some style by Cora. But Norwich did see a lot of the ball, majority of it in the first half. A lack of potency hurting them again.
Patrol vehicle, we're escorting them.
At this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Ah, well, don't you know? Time and money, so use them well. Ah, well, don't you know? That I will never let you down. Ah,
The food is nice. I went to the kitchen, but no reserve there. I don't understand.
This man!
Reserve for who?
Because I'm hungry, I needed something to eat, so I had to go to the kitchen. But nothing is there.
I didn't cook for you.
Hey!
I cooked for myself alone. So if you are hungry, you know where to go. You can eat out or as well cook for yourself. I'm not your maid.
Exactly!
I don't like this. I don't. You know, like I don't.
I will take. I keep up with this. I get small issues, so I won't. May you help me. They use them. You just give me money, man. Just 12,000 to buy. 12,000 to buy.
I know the price now, but why can't you tell me 12,000? I know 12,000. But why won't sell now? Nobody tell they make money with this.
And now till they make money. See, I have small issue with my wife. I don't want her to get angry more. So that's why if I buy this one now, if I use this one now, I'll use the money to go not.
The story no yours balance. You know me your wife gang. You don't want this one, you want sell am. But I don't get that 12K. Take, I don't get the 12K.
Okay, how much? Okay.
So I second hand now. I give you 2-2. Yeah!
clipper of 12,000 naira. You want to give me 2,200.
The boy tell make money. You know how the thing they be, and this one na second hand na be. You don't use them before. I be never use them.
I don't use them before, but never past 3 months when I use them. So if now 1 year, another time you tell me say I don't use them. So how much are you giving me?
I don't tell you say 2. Okay.
Help me.
Wait, I don't want to know the problem with the face because he go still help me. I'll give you 4,000. You collect time. If you no collect time, I know the hard pass one.
Oh, okay. Give me 4,000.
4,000. 4,000.
4,000.
But you no bring carton, you no bring receipt. I no one come say last like you call them say at farm.
No. I know it's like that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
This time they bring money for you. I don't know why I want to sell like cost of woman.
I know. Don't worry. Babe, I'm sorry.
Please
Where are you
don't
going
touch
to now?
me. Don't ask me questions. I'm leaving this house.
Stop. Come on. Okay. I'm sorry. I am very sorry. Honestly. I don't even know what came over me. I'm sorry. I won't do it again. Trust me. I will never do it again. Yes.
Are you done? Okay, is that the line? You will never do it again. No, do it again now. Do you know what you did?
I'm sorry.
You burnt my passport. What took me? What? No, I don't think I can forgive you, okay?
Please do. I see from my heart. Just find a place in your heart and forgive me, please.
Sorry. Even if I must forgive you, I just want to leave this house. Leave you. I am sick, tired of this whole drama, okay? I want to go and clear my head. You can keep the house because I'm tired of it.
I'm sorry. See, I love you. I bought this for you. Please forgive me. Please. Sorry. I am sorry. Please. Thank you. Let's renew our vow. Sorry.
Don't you know?
Give me a hand.
Time my money, so use them well.
Will you marry me? And before that, I'm very sorry for what happened, and I was so engulfed with jealousy and all that. But it won't happen again, honestly.
Next time you ask questions.
I will, definitely. But will you marry me?
Put the ring, Joe.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll just punch your face.
Come on, don't do that. Come on. Thank you. I love you.
I don't know.
Come on, you love me. Come on, say it. You love me.
Carry my bag.
I will.
I'm waiting for you inside.
All right.
Nabiana